Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to add on-screen keyboard inputs on OBS. Firstly, locate the zip file that you downloaded from this link. Right-click on the file and select Extract All. Extract all the files into a folder of your choice and open the folder where the zipped contents were extracted. Copy the input over live 5.x plugin files into your OBS Studio root directory. For 64-bit Windows, pass the files in C Program Files OBS Studio. Close any running instance of OBS and launch OBS again to load the plugin. Select your desired OBS profile, add an input overlay layer. In the source section, just click the plus icon and select Input Overlay. Browse the extracted zip folder and select the zxcarrows.png file. And browse the extracted zip folder and select the zxcarrows.json file. Check that the Z, X, C arrows keys are detected and displayed in the selected OBS profile. And now you're all set. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.